Guys, welcome to Code. So our today's topic is how to give an object or a frame a linear background color. So currently you see we have something shaped like a man, if at all. So a man looks like that. Huh. Hmm. Anyway, so currently you see we already have given it a green background color, and how you do that, you go to the design panel, you go to the fill property, click on this icon and choose your color, change your hue from here and opacity from here. So the reason why I'm doing it so fast, because we have already learned in the previous video about that. So if you haven't watched my previous video, just go to that and then come back to this video, because this will be a step forward to that. So currently, as you see, we have already given it a fill of green color, and to be precise, it's hexadecimal 00FFOA. Now, how to give it a linear background color? We go to the top left of this fill panel, fill screen, whatever you can call, and then you choose a linear background color from here. Now currently you see there are two things showing. This is a starting color and this is the ending color. So the starting color is green and your ending color is a green color, but with half opacity. So how do you change those colors? For example, if you want, as most people as like the beginners and designers try to use green color, we use red to blue. So we will use red to blue. So we will give it a starting color of red, and the ending color, we will have to click on it to change the background color. If you want to change this color, we will have to click on it and focus on it. You can see the focus is on it because of the blue background border, not background border, blue border around it. And now you see the focus is on this, so you can change your ending color as well. Now you change your hue to blue and you choose the saturation to the like 100% level, and even the lightness to the 100%. So you now have a linear background color of red to blue. So that's how you do that. So now if you want to give it a yellow to green, so yellow to green, we will give the starting color of yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Here's yellow, and the ending color of, we will give it a green color with opacity 100%. So you see, now you have a linear background color of yellow starting to green, or in a code you can also say that as a yellow as a 0% and ending at green 100%. Now you can even stretch those colors. Now when you stretch these, so that kind of changes a little, temperature and nature of this linear background color. So you can do that the way you like it. If you like it this way, if you like it that way, linear gradient code. So in a way it changes the angle of the linear background color. So that's what it does. So this is how you do that. You see, now the yellow color linear gradient is starting from here. If you do it here, remember that the yellow background started from here, and then in the middle it started going to green. So that's how we do that. And as soon as you cross it, the linear background color gets applied. So that's how you use linear background color. In the next video we will be learning how to use a radial background color. But before we go there, towards our next video, after doing like, share and subscribe, of course, I would like to tell you one more thing, is that if you focus on it and you press Ctrl plus D, you have like two linear background colors, and you can even change the second linear background colors to this and that, and change the opacity. So yeah, you can use as many linear background colors as you want, or as many fill colors, as many solid colors on the top of one another, and by giving it opacity and mingling with them. So there are a lot of options for you. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed, and just keep sticking on my videos. So thank you very much. Thank you.